Hello, I'm Theo from Velomobiel.nl, and in this video I will show you how to adjust your brakes on your Velomobile, in this case the Strada. By tilting the Strada on one wheel and then pushing through the parking brake, you can feel the difference between the two brakes. The right wheel is braking much less in this case. All our Velomobiles have the same braking system and the same adjustment system on the tiller, and from riding the brakes can wear uneven and you can adjust them here on the tiller with only an 8mm and a 10mm key. The brakes can be adjusted here on the lever. There are two adjusters for left and right wheel. You put the brake on the parking brake and then test which brake is stronger. Simply rotate the 10mm nut a few times and then test again if the brakes are even. I use a piece of wood to lift the front wheel in the air, and now I can test if the wheel is running free when I'm not braking. You don't want the wheel to brake, of course, when you're not braking. Now I test again, and this time the brakes are equal. You can also check your cable housing on any damage, because if they are damaged they can start rusting and at some point they can fail. Well, thanks for watching.